we want Parliament to approve of your budget for you. Abraham komodie na one o modie no. On kanche o me hu ne niso. Nti e boy amane. No so ne me adwen. Di me frɛ Parliament committees no, relevant committees no, chairman, ranking member, finance, trade and industry, agric, works and housing, energy, health, education, roads, the relevant committees. Offer MPP chairman, offer NDC spokesperson. We met at Kofodia. I'm say maybe I'm say, oh no, you should be candid with us. Yeah, so will be I dream will be a tribunal. Office a bit me a boy in the discussion on Famra. We had that open meeting. A government in a party in opposition, no, or Moniaman be bridging parliamentarians, no, a bit so because they know women they want access to information, no. The woman and be kind say can be a woman. So we brought everybody together. And be a trend journey. And it was a healthy discussion, openness and frankness.
Both MPP and DC.
Both MPP and DC.
With the finance minister.
With the finance minister.
Then we say I'm on country. Because a bassa now I say near Wabontino. I say opposition no de Omukuta piano mode wo now as I buy so opposition kasa because what is portrayed to us and they say opposition kasa mumfa and I buy so consult. But what you're saying, say, even before Obeko Washington, what didn't come up? And you could tell BB or they call him both parties in the debate. I wrote down, summarize the discussions in Let me catch and say, ni see any Kogu Kwating, chairman of finance committee. Unfortunately, when Timema or Nam also Nam Council and the car break it down, was on an member, but the ranking member Atu was there. Inti Wamun position spokesperson, various sectors no, were there. The truth is that Nandisi phone cry does a JMP for I call it. The VM summarize BBA and Medina Atu. So this is the outcome. Oh, Bibia Meja Umana or Hen was a leader, as I'm no watching. Now, Adea Akye Abia Amba. There was this suggestion, say, the total indebtedness, war, energy sector, and the cocoa board. Yen fan can't abide a cow because Scamajino ye guaranteed by government. And this when push comes to shove, I was buying say cocoa board intimately. I was buying so. Energy sector debt institutional debt send ya kan yemfa enkan na me ka chene so sa debt no sa ka no in the computation of national debt no, it has never been added mo time am banka ho then now say banka ho. However, maybe we should let also can say yema yenhunu animu say yes saying what are the components of sa kana cocoa board esla energy na who say you say has the time come for us see the become national debt let's raise it that way. That's when we are doing. So that was say me fan say small a year we agreed by consensus and I think it was a 3-page it was a version of century consensus. The way Kofodia consensus. The outcome of Kofodia. So that's what I did. And I'm the man, and I'm the command finance minister. We sat down, went through the copy my vice president, who is the chairman of the economic management team, and President Ankasa. So I spoke to it, and the president said, no, Ankasa, my money. I'm so on Fanchemi. So I sent a copy to the president. And that's how it is. We think together, say we but sometimes, of course, on matters of policy, be a buy and because I made a bit of with your company. And those times, maybe a kiki crab, but that's how it is. I'm a more sanity. I was just adding to the issue that was raised. Say, we brainstorm on a lot of things, and many times, you know,
maybe baako mmienu bi a yɛadwen kɔ bɛnkoro no na akɔyɛ he kakra. It shouldn't be like that anymore.
All right, honorable chairman Sabosu, meda wase bra wanyama na minim say wona si kwan so abeja na woni omampani ni adna to aso na me wo bosomche constituency chairman ho me ne beto aso ba sa ma me ni mi kom kakra bi eno am we case and me no mi enu fi ha ba yire we dey jan kwa bra they know the best face so to say, you know, you want some kappa. Okay. Hey, Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services. Dr. Gabi. You want come on? Say when you na kowie na pomdini na ncp sita. Sika wo crowd di enye.
Enye ndɛ no kre.
Nti onipa de ye di nkomo nyina no na ho be hia say wa pomdin so ahwe ni ye.
Ndɛ no kre.
Na Grace Gift so de na che say edu twam. Akwaba. Na what to say?
Yankopɔ adom.
Ajubikete.
Nya bema.
Wa ba pa na what to say?
Nya me adom ho
de uchichi chenda.
Enye easy o.
Swag pa o.
Usa. We your birthday chichi.
Ane your birthday.
There be me mama de na na ejina mu.
Eh, we do birthday. O ma obi birthday wa fa hu di.
Na me mama nti o se me
ya. Na birthday cross what dey you.
Yeah dey ejina mu ma no pa because adwuma obo de so bro so chess. That
okay. Dabi.
Data.
I don't pay some payment am the free Grace Gift Ibrahim.
Opening in Sompa de doors be brave. They are chichirin pufu. They say Adea Akye Abia packaging. Na senior ye kano ye de nipa pomuden no ehia ye more. Ehia ye more pa because anopai o ye statement bi say no matter what the situation say wonni apomuden a niam nko ye. It's true. Opa woska. That say me no ka say. Ye woska ni bi amaken odaji oda kolebu. Ebi amaken fi kidney efeli. Oh, you see a person transplant there then e de mano. Onya ya enka wa wo ye healthy person enka obema no wo de. Na ko business kan nyina ma. Enso onya. Very good. This means that body na nyankopɔ de ma yen no. Yem fasikanto. Ade ba ko ni o. Since ever me ba sasu we so, I've never heard say you trading human being. Say you trading a business in everything. No? Illegal. Very good. To do that. It is a nyankopɔ ma akwa bi woni padua mu a. The only thing say emra o dey to for the maintenance to be able to sustain the body no. Also faso. Cause one faso a we be breaking down the constitution of the body. And that has happened to several people in this African continent. Opening me can say, say, do you know, say, send your plant, ejina wa, or will be a friend, say, chlorophyll. Sa chlorophyll, no, and the boa plant, no, and they absorb energy from the sun, no, they are building adriani. Sa green color of the herbs, no, and sa chlorophyll, no, and the boa man maintaining sa color. Ye ni peduya as black people. You will be a friend, say, melanin. And one of the gene within the DNA. And also to say chlorophyll, a boa black African to be able to absorb more energy from solar radiation. And as if you are in chain. Jumabe no reality say absorbing energy now. Energy is striking on our skin now. Your cholesterol be with your your body in the generate. Very good for us. Your friend HDL, high density lipoprotein, good cholesterol. A turning into vitamin D. A boa my body no. Enya apomodin, enya hodin. But ye nimo. Yeah, uni ahoden. Pajo what you say? Eka owia e born Africa no. The entire African cause ye nya ahoden more no. Because ye kuta more melanin. We are melanated people. Abrofun kita ni bebre o. Ye wo. Abrofu pe wia because onu nim say owia no activate melanin no. E ma wunya more energy ahoden. Very good. Ye fan free because morning sun no anopa ewia no from 6 o'clock no. A producer at DBA friends say ultraviolet radiation and as a UV rays. It was 7 colors. Color red no e check e moja. E boa activate hemoglobin no. E ma moja ne red no. 12 o'clock e wia no.
En kan no pa be
6 o'clock e ba no.
6 ya to be 8 or 9 ho no. E wia ne yi ni ti no.
Yes, e brutal pa.
E good pa ma
e good mind.
And more by we na
yeah. More especially so, no, for the service of black Africans.
ye kita more melanin it make twi sa owia no e more hoden more it black African club de e ka hwa ye nka 60 years ne 80 years for nka wo so omu no
me pese obetwam o say was 7 colors.
Yes, 7 colors.
And red no eke moja.
Take care of your moja. One.
Yakano.
And yellow. Yellow no take care check say yenya cholesterol and a fat. Yen develop.
Okay.
But you what I say? A body no ema engulfu or excess fat. Green no Juma edini say and no serve as life component and a buama immune system no. It me yeah Juma. Someone said that in there etie. Ye ban orange na wo ye mu no and the buama electrical potency within the blood. It me adwuma because nipa dua ne kita nyina ma wodin. Electricity wo ye mu no and activate cells na na se nkomo ano e mo ye very good. Na moja no sutimi ye de nya wodin. So was na denti. Eti color bi e wo friends owia no mu no e wo ne benefit ye de e ma body no.
As a rainbow color.
Very good. E bi crumple to me destroy infection. I beba ye nipa dua no so ana hunam ani nsansa openi sasa ne ma we nyina ka bɔ mu a dwuma ye didi say e activate cells na e wa hoden no na atima ko atia cells a eni ahoden cells a eni ahoden na sesa no e na ma ye cancer enti ne kan say African sun so obu o cancer say breast cancer no de kire awia every morning na e likely say cancer de betuma hye at 6 months but once ye nim ene etwitwa amanfo no fu ye den etugu ye twitwa amanfo prostate gland ye yitugu just because the nyankopon de amaye no ye mfa nya adwuma openi se oba grace gift herbal clinic and laboratory services are these are some of the basic your friends a treatment ye de manipulate no anya magical things in nature niam e wo abodi mu no e very powerful. Let me take for instance your fa bibit cell line e wo Africa openi e brutal
lime no ene anketwade
nketenkete no
no
brother e brutal
e dey
hwe your fa no free ne hunu mu a won say wo squeeze ne hunu na oil bi wom your friend limonin
anketwade hunu
no wo squeeze a etsa yeah your friend say oil bi wom
oil bi ba
ene man anketwade no e hwam no very good your friend limonin say obo cancer na say wo squeeze go cancer kuro no mu a likely say e be she cancer cells no ana ufiri ho a na se oba anketwade no mu a ni nsuo no won se eka very good
and how the your honkra na asa
very good a antioxidant compound bi I friend say vitamin C and say ascorbic acid duma be na edi duma edi ni say cancer cell e wo moja no mu no neutralize no sa nsuo kuro na ekuta vitamin C no eno one say check is fat e be ko form enti na anketwade emu ye yellow no
enti anketwade no ase untumi ntafre very good either say utwa animu obetumi ayede atafre bi and say udi bi be fra warm water na wanom chimgu
yes
warm water
yes na wanom ana mesre mema na ye develop prostate cancer openi we should stop the uses of those chemicals na in this spray body no
chemicals spray
bebre ya harmful
body spray
bebre not disagree with the natural body's chemistry bebre ya chemicals
so oil ones no
once that we need to be very careful but me dey me tufu aka kira man for say wo mpeso benya prostate cancer wo yoba wo mpeso benya breast cancer preventative measures e just we take no and they say ta use to line in various places are mpeso bebon especially me no your prostate gland no eso e wo between your shoe no and be be eja knife no and temo ho
shoe na se wo sa
e use to line e ma hopa
anka twa dey fifa ho
yes oh yes how dey we are it is not likely so better develop prostate cancer yes I'm telling you the fact
chema
I
uko jaya na dey fifa
now dey fa I'm telling you open do you know say anka twa dey krampo no say eye diwema eye strongest diwema so far
to ma mi o why
anka twa dey diwema diwema number 1 open
omnum
wonomo se wo saw
wo di good siom na
no yes
and sunsunu bia wo yam nyina
ebeku no na wo pese eye adwuma yie nso aye di good your friends enema syringe bentoa mu na wo dia clean stomach no no impurities bia wo stomach ni mu no ebe ye to go open ma menchiro bibi practical example enie beble wo halitosis enum kankan not because a crow na ba the trimo, because that is what we shift the whole issue to. And yes, a crow na ba the trimo, and yes, be a crow and na ba ni sinuses and any minimum. No problem. No do na about 80 to 90% of halitosis generate free stomach ni inside.
Pancreas.
Yeah, stomach ni.
Stomach.
Ya funu mankasa because once you call private ya nini nyina ma a bit little intestinal walls num na bia amama yi afu afa ho na ne nam na fa na pro na yi nsuo bi efren uric acid egu ya funu num and the man now ya funu dodo na eya kese no e private substances e bon pa it is an man generate scent na e fat throat num e be pie o num. Now, what person kill the fastest way of killing halitosis, and this will be used to how many people know this? Yawadio, but we don't.
Now, I say, so which way we are, so it gets you to me and
one thing is send a mature way, petty things, and a man would be preventing you. Your greater ones are this, larger ones, and they're just over. Because it be a complex to the essence, meet me trying to enka. They make a lot of say. Your treatment need be a whole by ya. I just say be a before say Jenny for instance. Your treatment will be ya. Just a Jenny you continue with a garlic and I say a boy aloe vera.
Say my combination.
That is it. So but how many people know this? Adea ya trust ya study into your back bunting near because I say we are person preventing you because disease never about the also. Ghana has a problem and a cultural disease. Brother, me, you woman me, but now I never heard of so no. It wasn't there. So Babenya prostate. Me time I'm just yes me discover say me and your breast cancer was the year 2000. Prostate cancer. Nancy and yet prostate enlargement. Your gender, but people don't know say gender draw a prostate enlargement.
The gender draw no, and so many.
Opening opai mu obi o ni prostate work hospital. Ni a chance prostate ne enlarge no. Gender kase twam mienu. Fa nimu no ebutu o prostate na se. O so anase ho. Na serpent eguso. Now the father. Ye ne sa consecutively me ma only for 2 weeks and 2 months. A best shrinking. But how many people know this? Open say one person who practical example in this our own. Sa gene corona no. Say one person who say prostate here enlarge. Na say timi shrinking na. Me pa to process no. Na heat ni kakra gene ni heat no. Na wo na process no. Fatu asawa so. Now they pompo na abo no. Fatu so anwumre. Ade be che no. Na ayi pompo na free. When the more practical knowledge idea say prostate ahun no. It me the shrinking. It's a great gift about clinic and laboratory services. And you can suffer me.
Mammy Brown China
education we nya baby I just say grace gift. Now the can now say there be answer a chain row free of charge. Your ma first aid. Banning in it obu say there e dro na mo kire me senkyere ne dia anwade ayama me no. Me pese me banam be hu de ekoso biem. Grace gift herbal clinic and laboratory services. Yasu ye kumase hanom ye wo Oshim School Junction Barakese kwan so. Oshim School Junction Barakese kwan so ena enkran pumpuni mantem nso wote kam na akwa me pa chofo ni kire new Achimota Petroleum Bungalow New Achimota Petroleum Bungalow ene Family Life International School no ena edi nhwe ni mu me pa chofre na woni entwetwe nkomo e was 0543 32 00 00 30 0543 32 00 30 we your doctor na number so friend no anya now dey afa 0242 72 52 74 0242 72 52 74 and 0244 126 123 0244 126 123 me pacho fre na oni entwetwe nkomo na Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services sabre ya eguso e ka say doctor atenase a ye hwayare for free anopa no wotwe kosi anwumre nonum ye adwuma free dwada kosi ne kwasi ada ye nhome enti mpempi ya na adwuma efo no mse omo de dabai meme da ne kwasi ada nyina ye adwuma nti yeto nsa afro bibia so omra na oba ho no ma ayaresa papa fie nubra ne haba makora bibia nka ho said de nyame abode a doctor echereche no ana Dr. Grace Bodu aso ye de adwuma nti na nani padodo na friend said Dr. One Touch esan said de obi antimi nye no eno na Dr. Grace Bodu nyame na no soma ne
Dr. Gabi Beda say no ba pa adjudicated so me dane mo haba na me constituency chairman to train come
na se how bi wo ho a wakoyo insurance companies pii wo ho for insurance purposes e ho fe security yet sites
anokwa adrobafo atoadi no mo ba bia na
Mid City Auto Services wo kuma se bantama aka ne Royal Gas
krom finfin pe
Fred 05945222262 and 0241677982. Mid City Auto Services.
Total care in auto care.
Abusiafo yemamo akwaba na besremo a mame fa we ntwam Omo ba be register ewo ase ha no akunafo no manyantie se omabodom for form ho womo ye bebre na ono abu chemensa bonsu edru a okono obi akotwamfo ni se edwomfo ma ba begu ahanmo eye dede enye no kre ye awurade na sembe kre ni obi otip ayi trotro na otika mu twamo ena ohun se ono abu chemensa kasa no ena watwamfo ni so de akoto platform bi say my wodwoma be BCG honorable chairman sabonsu ba ha no omo ni bedi nkomo o sedey o mesremo ye di dwuma bi a ya to din Sompa chede ye ama ekunafo single parents na no ena anopai ebo 4:30 amidru ha na maamefo mako enson ewo ho omo ofom o omo so betwero mu din se de be o betimi akontem and you see doma egu from ho nyagro. It has nothing to do with the presence of honorable chairman sir. It has nothing to do ono kra no ono wie ono pentem kra ko and then omo bie court ho na no ti o wie kra ma me fo kro mu ni no omo kro mu ni no why Ghana phone other the bimu kra ye so malicious and anyway mama share bi mo awoda quickly na yenko yanim na jinyase for complaining na jinyase for complaining nyina ne say ECG card na e friend no electricity user card and na smart no and that ayi no so no wo mo kire say card no wo mo kono mo de kwa akoto creditor since me da enya adwuma enti misramo a wo mo de abeto anim say ECG ginya asefo wo mo so wo mo nya card wo mo nya electricity na nsema wo mo kan nyina say network problem enti yesramo ginya se ECG mo modena na omo complaini na omo se efri memre da bepem ne omo da sumu ani so omo da sumu we infra ban we infri ba bia omo se network etimpamcho regional director ne mpanimfo mo mama ni nko ginya se na mutumi nko heba omo card na e frɛ no ena smart o se ina smart electricity is a card no problem e dey aba ho e wo ha network problem kese pa mo hwe na mo resolve enya dey ema womo na bibia entimi enkoso kama emfama womo na yenko yanim okay eti mame hwe birthdays no quickly na yentimi any hun komo kakra. First one no abofra a friend of faithful or say Jamna of Calvary Believers International. Happy birthday to faithful Osei Jamna of Calvary International School. 9 years from Mr. and Mrs. Osei Jamna. And then Jennifer Adea Akye Abia. Boris B. Okay, Boris B. Ventures. Wohukani Kennedy Edubuahin Bimpon. Okay, Osei Jamna ni. Afei Momfa Jennifer Nyakon. And so enter her Rano, Jennifer Nyakon, so birthday. Ewa honomo. Jennifer, happy birthday to you, Jennifer Nyakon. And I'm say last one be so and no, yeah, Madame Veronica. Hey, Madame Veronica Ekins. But you. Now why do your birthday na? Sir. Hey. Okay. Wait there, when you dimbe say. Madam Veronica Akins of Joshua, okay, Joshua the any Akins. Akins, you Mr. O. Fiaka said, Wako Aria said, baby, with your problem. I'm not pay. And to be so much of Veronica Akins, mammy. Okay, and then the birthday. Okay, Priscilla say Boatin of Igasi Health Insurance. And where you are Richard Boakye, your colleague at the office, Priscilla. And then we have Juliano Poku from Pong, Auntie Locker of X5 Plus. Hey, sir. Oh no. Oh, I see. Juliano Poku from Pong. Your friend say Auntie Locker. Say me name. All the staff of X5 so more Trinkwa. Way so free Kwajo Sare or your police officer our Jubilee House. Hey, Kwajo. Yeah, Kwajo. More fans. Hey, Brand Chabel Crew. Kwajo also to me and appearance. Kwajo Sare. And then your birthday. Hey. And also President Yakshin Uza. Also Mampenina Yakshin Kwajo. And then your birthday. Yabo Amadi Kukwa say about Trin Kwamin Sumekaho. Priscilla say Boatin. Okay, I hear no. And Juliana so there I hear that. Honorable Kiss. Now pom to say. Did we have a call?
Oba Adea Akye.
Papa Okrum.
Pa. Eba Parliamentary.
And say na numera na. And na numera na on the Mushiano.
That's right.
All charming. No, I had the street, the chairman only.
Only. Until when you're chairman, I'm maybe.
Oh, it's the chairman only. No, but
over contest is now lose you on
Anyway, I'm sure Santamai,
yeah.
No crab back.
Yeah.
Say, Mumay wouldn't punt you.
Yeah.
President so by and or say, on the office of YAB. On your name, office YAB.
That's true.
Never back me, no. Dear now, Becase, Asantaman, Enya, and Hotoso.
Yeah.
Na, or more, and Cosso Bomo, Chidom.
Yeah. Yo. My metria a tearful. Na, Masachia, Omanhene Yaw, Ewo, Yemai, and also Crudia, or by, or here, ne entry of into Kumasia. It was very, very nice. Yankopon Yadum, Kwesiada, no bedroom. Oba you know I'm fair Niagara cry as usual when him say na sorry hode oye den since prince no that's right obeko you know ko sumo e man hire bia e wom no mo de man no e free ona wa wonim osan ba yura e ho e no so be di amane e fie nkomo de ne ho ko kire ne se wa santememu be nansa e no so yura hira no na o man kwan so betumi asset na pronounce nti uhwe baby a okoko nyina na ni nyina na say eduru ma bia na oye Omanhene a oso upie na de manfo no ka no wankasa nso utibi na afei wafa akwanya no so empotudwuma kakra wankasa apese oye no so no na watumi aboa sɛ de be ya amanfo no so behu de waye ɛne nti sɛ de wubusa no ɛyɛ ɔman no nyinaa no yɛde ama no sɛ ɔnkyekere ɛnya asantenko nanso no wohwɛ ɔmampani na mamuo we a na ɔne asante adi ne yie ɛba ɛbrɛ a owini ya na ɛwɔ sɛ ɔpa asoafo a ɔmmɛboa no no wohwɛ asoafo a kukudam ne nyinaa no asantefoɔ na mɛka sɛ ɔmodɔɔso mu wode ba appointment related to CEOs, boards and other things. So be to me who say asantefoɔ wɔenyae mu nyinaa kora board no kɔya maybe be so yes. As I speak, I'm the council chair for Akokali College of Education. Yeah, so ne nyinaa no wohu sɛ ɔmampani ani wɔ asante man mu ha na asante man esusu a yɛtena kurom ha no wohwɛ yɛn dwuma a yɛdi paa titiriwa akrakye dwuma no yɛ ana yɛmpɛ yɛde ne kɔtɔbɛtɔn dwadie ɛno nti adeɛ biara ɛbɛba a ɛbɛma dwadie ɛnsɛm no ɛbɛtu mpɔn no asantefoɔ nya ho mfasoɔ paa ɛkɔyɛ the other way round na edwadie nsɛm ɛkɔgye nsrepen a asantefoɔ nso na nsunsuansoɔ no ɛkan yɛ kɛse paa nti na aba sɛ ɔbɛba na nneɛma a ɛsisie ne nyinaa no otumi aba abɛdan na di nti nhyiamu bebree no a ɔyɛ no ɛfa mpuntuo sɛm na ɔbɛka wohwɛ from 2017 a bɛsi na onyaayɛ mu koraa every sector na biribiara ɛmɛmɛte bayera ahoma mu a na wohwɛ sɛdeɛ na biribiara kɔ so a na yɛn nso yɛnya yɛ kyɛfa of course da biara meka sɛ wofa biribi te sɛ kwan a obiara ni hɔ ɔbɛba bɛdi mampani 8 years a ɛkwan a ɛwɔ Ghana nyinaa no obɛtumi ayɛ looking at yɛn yɛfam wɔ Africa ne ɛbibrem atɔyɛ no obiara ni hɔ obɛtumi ayɛ saa even when you give that person even 40 years because kwan yie no abra yɛyɛ no ne yɛyi foforɔ nti sɛdeɛ ɛbɛtie biara no obiara ni hɔ obɛwie but you look at the strategic areas a wofu sɛ ɛno no can open up to ɔman no nti wohwɛ pɛpɛ so hwan na da biara bɛyɛ yi no wohwɛ ɛna yɛyi afiri hɔ dodo pɛpɛ so when you look at that
president could be
it's fantastic ɛne nyinaa no nti na wohwɛ so amedeɛ yɛ ɛnɛ yɛka ho asɛm na honorable chairman sa ɛkan ɛno no bɛ open up to a place a owns a business ankasa ɛbɛkɔ so wonya ɔmampani a he look at all the strategic areas no mpakadan railway what is it going to do wohwɛ Boankra said the enra we were and it's fantastic the contractors in aba enti ya na so when hunu all the strategic areas na yehwe now the ukrom nko de ehwe a wan hwe bia na waka say isan say nru ukrom nti no into me maybe I may advocate pa say interchange na yebe commission echina president mbomoden a say ekwanya bia be bank omode tafo ekwan no ye be dualize ne bia no I pray say omonya ne sa because ohwe Kumase akwan be bia e dey ba be see interchange bia double it's only tafo na ohwe say basa na and I know say engineers no will put those things into consideration so that from tafo straight to Mampontino and to be to me de na asumdie kese pa aba say no na minia say anye no and I know say there will be challenges because we a quite a lot of sikana also buying tia with respect to a daya say ebekana and yes we have to relocate some of the and you know me who say ni nyina ka ho na o mampani aba na say the o kan no e sounds expectations and say the to aba wa ha ema MPP aban party no obia expectations say sa na say the to no na de sasa na ekono enti sa wukonya ebre bia na nke koyie saa say ekono saa na all of a sudden there is an external shocker. Of course, you get the people to complain, and you get the people to get worried. Na ninyina say, say, ye ma nipa na my expectation, fees I should rightly point out, there were communication directories, but what did they do? Some of us have to go around, talk about, whilst we are not even directly part of it, but whilst we are chairman, definitely we can also come out to speak on what actually is happening. And no, and I'm say Omanhene Eba. So they now can nipa bebre no money say hospitals in Ashanti are about 32.
Yeah.
How many people know that? But people who portray say as a project by Kukra. Many will be one of our colleagues and these. Many saw one of your sister stations. Or some man of school back yes. Now you power to anyone who was as huh? And I'm do you know whom you're asking that question? Me. Now some I can give you a catalog of it. And Jai says some questions na bia. But there be no ma can no they are two growth team. No my akoye say obi ni ho a obetumi ayi no. Ntime de me feel say president ba waba no. Na nsana oba abedie no. Adwuma kakra e was antememo a ebinum po enhu ye no. With the more mudi achira mu ye ne ho nkro. Me hu say ti ha nyina so amede said yaje ho ne ade nyina no. Mu ye a ohwe me ni se mo di achire a mo so mu be yi ama nipa ehu. Nti asante metumi aka on authority 2017 until 20 I think we were having our share of the national cake. Na eso nipa na enema bia em say de amema ade hia pa no aya kwansem yen sense ye adwadifo na ye mind ni nyina business minded no so be we cratch ni kra o san ye ya santini bia o opte obesan nya the business no de ewo ye DNM into our co school your lawyers grada obeko na the store ni obeko into no de no ne ade a em say no isan say ye yakoye no that economic hardship amano affected into obi come de na wasa akokai say moko amose ye kwan no on kai kwan no because he thinks say anything adwadifo no raise concerns bia we decide the regional minister and the leadership no be mu a o say catch mama breathe na ye ne monye negotiation as to yen ka say ntuato no of which I know say asumdue aba Tomai Asante Omanhene they also from Ebra na eba bisisa amrea COVID by any home crony bad.
What is the strength of MPP today here? When NDC about 2-3 weeks ago, Gomodiana ko we say see akwa the MPP I told you. Na moda form me who say nyame ya adomo a you're coming to have what is called roll out for new membership.
Yeah. No, it's not new membership. It's new membership ID cards.
New membership ID card.
So we are abolishing the old one entirely.
Okay, until obi o MPP ni dada kra no be man
foforo.
Na obi so opese obam
no.
Ebe je card foforo. Ono so aba beje. Na eno no
it's like a re-registration of our membership cards.
NDC for say nkoye.
Na say yenye njedede ne nkoye. Na omo.
Asante region there just say.
Enuntinas de bia no those are the things afi ebeduru ho no. The people will go and vote. Afi no ma sa be ka say. Yeah. This is what sometimes it happens. They portray out there say who I had here ye win. Recent last also Chika majority leader kind. You could see some people who came in here say omo be BB. My who say attested the pause in this region say are they still with the MPP or they've gone out? Are they me the pass Santifo and I say omo say region mohano. Omo oya de ma omo. So you look at the program. Now we near any nipa no bekan. I was sitting behind the
Captain Smart.
That's it. I was sitting behind the TV and I realized ain't you chroma halfway in I can see. So they don't know what has happened. omoji eno ema mesan enya ahotoso ebo wo maba so say ampa we ade na nya wo beka but we ade na ya they will continue
for you who say omo ema ball omo aban na baso Emma, I do maybe not just say,
that is what they sought to do. May hear the mindset of the people who came to do such
and they came from just being a coffee.
That is exactly. And no cry na hear me one. It's obi aba obo baby otie. No aka ho asem.
No aka ho asem.
Obo baby ofiri. The SC. No man. Edu maybe a politics ayeye wa ha no. Wotena se. Na wo hwe na nipa no. Sabe obo ase anwan kwanta road. De eya bomode minim se wafa so. Na said the net here, and say, aye. To be or no, Tihono, Uber catch and say, yeah, you not understand. Of course, there are equally places be or a ho, a catch it. That be a kushia meka. So we have to do something on Mount Sokwain. We have to do something on Odotobri. Kwabri East.
The
Almighty Kwabri East. Minim says say contractors in here. One tona, say, Anna. Yeah, Jan woman and they say, all this road was our baby, I'm a bomb. And you say, I'm my contract. Yeah, they are my contracts.
I told MPP this, say, Mamba Power. I said this thing in 2017. So, Bekaya, Munko Cha, Kwaya, a walk Kumasi Nina Fanto. Namuye, we are Munya before and after.
Yeah,
Monty.
No crap.
Yeah. And they were quite be how be on so say on kai can he say it.
Debbie.
Me kai brebi one of our guys Randy J Abubakar.
Yeah,
Abubakar. The man ko twa Bokro Makwan.
Yeah.
Fly.
Yeah.
And then a kwan bi to say South Africa.
Uh-huh.
And now Namwa, near catch yourself, because on Kai,
I
said this thing so many times, say, Moon could check on tour because Ghana for the former president say you was short memory, 100%.
Oh, no crepa.
He was a prophet when he said that.
No
we tend to forget our state when we get to a better position.
That is the point.
And he did the chronicles near Kodania River.
Yeah, why? Into Usha,
to one of my own bro.
I know they no crap, but I
Swami. Yes, Swami here.
When him said the baby,
to two pa.
I know.
The guy call the time. I am breaking your mind, deaf, you know. On the come on. But one a guy.
Ubi a guy.
Sir, I got dancing too. Airport run about. One of the most deplorable roads I never heard. Railway. Now kind of double sound.
Oh, I know.
And the cars the she airport. Obi ankai. Me kan mantie.
Enti o man
the whole can e kwan no to na mo ye wi a. Na mo de abekire.
Yenye. Na nsan na mehu sa amanfo kakra ye no. Omo astart here, but I think say because why nya say the net here. You look at Atonsu kwan say.
Atonsu.
Say the constituency. They quite copy something. There are times where you hands you to untumi. But said they're okay. Me a constituency chairman. I didn't even take shots of those things. But he said, "Obi she double road obi a."
I tell you, I had to walk.
Oh my, edu maybe a say baby na ye dro no nanka kofidi obaya de pa. Speed na dey kwan na iko until say we nyina na kwan yie no so. Especially asphalt roads now. They're very expensive. 1 kilometer of an asphalt. If they cost it now, you catch us say ya. Between I am grassy quine sapetino bebre. And when you know a chrome de and a little different. Even over France loan I didn't for I sign quine. My name's Wafaswa. The contractors are on it. As they say, oh my bridge and out to normal feel it. Be free if you rehearsal is it them.
Na cast and bahui.
Na rehearsing quine you but nipa as soon as I ho. So they're okay.
Go for soon you must say.
So, Entino, me fool say, a banner queen ya, or mampeni, wusher, nibra, infiancia, or media. de obeya ma asante no oye na unfortunately me yare kodi ewo no yanka bibia me mfa enyim free da because always I tell people say you look at that scenario we are seeing now we're suffering and I have a video be a church every country in Europe
get me the video of the European countries please get it back for me.
You see,
from Germany throughout
France, Greece, what have you, Austria, almost everybody there. And woman who said the demonstrator, they are demonstrating because of a hardship by all more. It's not like say omuni bibia omoye. And no me there me fu say asante there until those no omampeni that devoid of those no kra no we hear ekwan still no contractors ewo so a yeah and so obia nka say ahokyere abanti etu adwuma e
that's what you're watching on the on the screen ewo where UK for omodi abufu ena say we Macron France man for the abufu kra ena petrol ho asem aye dinti cars are packing
what was it packing cars da go to Nigeria any our neighbor
cars are packing cars we nyina France
this is Europe assembly here can
Europe France omunya petrol
ento
Ukraine Russia war
because and a price and also
as a peja
ekosropa omunyina no cars in Poland
wait you see 2000 mayors Poland
now
mayor for cost strike na gasampa ne mo here demonstration na yes
you see the beauty of democracy in now krom how between mayor obetia so this
mayor so call demonstration
so
it's so funny you know
in
Italy for so bo full our prime minister kra no so mpimra there's virtually everywhere
Insi Omai say where in Hunu Sadie.
Mona Montimin Church,
that is the truth. I know they may know yajing.
Sunny Ekosi. Ushe Australia. Ushe countries in Europe. Wo sikawa de no mo nkro force ye ho kire. Na Ghana, bibi ti se petrol to. Yetiminya bito yensala
kakra yeah
it just say muna muntimin kama semun kire Ghana for me enti wase and now the opposition is setting agenda for you to come and respond
me no ya dream pa enimi edu nyina eduru me bia yen kan asem said e kan no obia no fa no say me party nie.
Do you do communication meeting at all?
That is why I'm not part of the edition, but I personally
because I have my doubts because eduru me bia home Mekai Bravi say you show airport.
Yeah.
State Akudro.
Oh.
You show certain projects where Santimantem Anomo excellent for the kind of calls a man for friends. Now MPP for no way.
Why? You are 100%. You look at Kumasi Airport. You're airport NDC with this huge amount of Makase. Omanhene International Airport. Recently, as I got President Mahama because on Gaza International, MPP for the International Airport. Meanwhile, your own people also every day tell us, say, no International Airport. So you look at it now. They're edifice, Omanhene Yaw Kumasi Airport. That a free a commissioner plane be yapa as a free a bana also you see Kumasi. Now say,
looking at how. So they are expanding the local economy.
I'm telling you.
It is taking about 5,000 workers. So.
You see?
But I deal with my and country. Mobile be airport no. Not local content ayira.
And no dear.
And no dear be pamucho.
And no dear my
MPP Asante ye catch them say ye may be airport in ye yentimi fa Asante for nko.
Not at all.
Nanso enko ba say a young man or a young woman be pay dwuma wa ha. Ni asesa Kramfo asesa Central area asesa all the regions abeguana Asante mrantie ekopa adwuma
unless there is a special need or expertise
there are certain expertise ebia no obi wa unya
because sometimes
only enkani no mo kotena ha obetwaw and only entimi farm out
that is that
but entimi mass a miniature job
why do we have to even do that
labor.
No, why do we have to do that?
Because we had Malcolm other region and I say other place. We are all Ghanaians.
When you go to Accra Airport, Kotoka, they tell me as and the four now Kumasi four. Unless as I nipa na be out in crying that but a
lot of them more of more natives
I know. So why do you have
let's be frank to ourselves.
And I don't think it will happen.
Say airport
because like
a young man be Chrome office common liberal work obetima ye
na prapran so school as
but that's
we
what
will
they
not
do
that. We will not tolerate it. Anybody who would think he is coming to bring that directive, so always say, okay. Why some of us? I know sometimes it's very annoying.
And it has gone on for winning. Overcall Boakye. Now, just recently, Omubi or Boakye, and Omo insisted say Omoma a local content, a certain percentage.
Yeah.
A boy.
Oh yeah.
I mean, Boakye
as happens. Ukoha will be
live. Maybe Boakye collapse here, and who says Sena Omo we Juma home free chrome.
That is the point.
Obia to koi. Boakye nearly became a ghost city.
It's like railways. Those days.
Yes.
Free other about into railway.
Into railway call for my no money. No krona dane.
Into no media, me full says that it's a very nice mover. Me crowd we've started it. Even Saria Hospital said that be America. Robi or no call here washing kwan. So do you have any professional?
No, say we are no bet me. I liberal say we
are. And
no just talk of
free
area. Afari man potem home rantia liberal work be obeti my.
And one
thing be crowd no free constituency or
one thing. Dr. Edichumaya de be am bonabaso. De be abia. Say about menial jobs you find say obia betumi aye there. We are in secondary school ye be near yard cooks, cleaners, laborers, driver,
janitors.
He makes sure at least those communities, surround them. Then when it comes to the professional ones now, it be a math teacher and home crowd. And no crowd he try say when you be crowd or for also a nearby constituency so that they all can come and help. And I think that it's time as I am in our mind. So they walk on and such a party no Eddie agro. Now so they now can end this as some say or more as some leader can wahano. Many but now maybe some chip in something, but now it's also Kasanti. Ato Forsen and somehow Mukomo Mudi, he came out and make it's a case I say they host him one-on-one. Sir, debt via no yes, time immemorial. I am fine. He wanted to say, Yenina Yajitum, but Sahona, ye cano, one can no hobby. Say, Amunina Jitum say, and no, ye a different cano. Like, but one man acquire say. A kahuna apeja akwese. Meanwhile, the levels of the majority leader can discuss in. That was not it. It's only Adea NDC4 a play to Ghanaians. Said they will buy into it. But me who say there be a mekasa and I say it not because I'm an MPP chairman. Adea me who ewo amemu mi enu imo no. Bibie ni ho say or say ye man NDC kwan. Emma Omoba. Because Osha and Nema President Akufo-Addo aye. Vis-a-vis the NDC abine so ebeye there are a lot of my na ye ni hardship but NDC end to me anye. Me fa bibi to say free SHS aye ken. When NDC was in power, that agenda they be outcomes so near what dream say. So why didn't they do it? Their own Minister of Education, Leokra, may he so rest in peace, told us say, are they waiting there? Now they buy you to me I didn't fear you. So they couldn't even attempt to do it. And they believe him. Say he is the head of the education. We are no free this nurses and other, Bibia policy be at the buy. It's not for a fluke. We bring it for a purpose. We say a bit what for health insurance and others. COVID ever abe boom. Teacher 14 fee 1 year. Obi any ho catch them say yentua omuka vis-a-vis teacher for mo year adwuma 2-3 years NDC time BBM they pay them 2 months 3 months into what nasi now hwe say kuo mienu a electricity you the free NDC they called Doomsum for 4 good years and they even told us to pay more for electricity but so they now say Ghana for ya allow free no eduru maybe aya na me ye ne o my dream because anticipate there what NDC subjected this country into vis-a-vis BBI not the ebaya we BBI ba na adwumayefo we health workers even we have to increase some of them their salary for a special adwuma omoye and Usha COVID expose the buyer and no na informal buyer or hospitals be breakrano. We have to bring them into media. I mean the American you say. NDC for will shout on propaganda no. But Ghana for your team no. Unless I say because almost can't say na BBN who amaka solution no. Sabe bia yedri. Ye ni say ya. Enankebe. Always no say they prefer say Oman no enkose de ekoya na yentumi nya advantage na yemfa nye campaign na yenko na Oman no se konachi a kwahwe amnema wo ba ofie nan na wo se yemfa ede pa na obetumi aya nti media no fu se Ghana for MPP asanteman omone ye di ni yenko so na yemmo MPP chidom na menim ye se election we nyame beboaye e ma 2 years away enemy onyankopon be ye free your home. So all these European countries, kwa ahunchire mu a. Ususu se ahunchire ne binka. Na se ye yensa lie ento petro. Yensa lie anwa wotomi no aye ma obaako a. It shows that leadership of this country, if not external shock ebaya, ka yedru animu pa.
Honorable Akins na mote ne nkano me ne twetwe nkomo no. Ba wo sa abudi abi. Nabo Joseph na betna ha. I just say yenya no kra na nkoma to blow because Real Madrid ashe 21st clinic yeah expert in sciatica say oto ase twon sa na honam ya oboho efri wutri so bepem na ase ojo ho anya for any chere 21st clinic Dr. Blazer Foster name rante ne maba woni nyina ye krado ye be hwew abo CPS ta your laboratory and scan services ahodo massage and machine treatments ahodo 18 branches and counting sciatica there and for any chile bebia and we are overseas Alpha Radio in China wo Council Quarters Scott Junction Obuasi Atani Ata Stadium Main Gate East Legon American House in Chain 0540 311 0540 311 X5 ye kodi Adrian Pepi Benko and Tilapia okro stew ni super fufu and tilapia approaching krankra emre enwa akrante kwan jollof rice omutio TZ Sunday special bomodin says fresh fried rice wo French fries wo say weekend no a year wo fie na pese ye reception ni mawa say wo ye party bi wedding occasions bomodin afre 0549 609697 0549 609697 Yanisika FMD Shanimo Crow from One Family Clinic and a pain expert what chili to 2 ohunam yaw ya o nipedia sorry out him say baby yaw ya Miss Lawa tell me ye and non painkiller self medication is not good but modern for any One Family Clinic exclusive herbal treatment all forms of pains fabra advanced herbal treatment, massage, physiotherapy, guidance and counseling. Can the adwa machine what treat you. Home care. Wow, we feel per se be shawa. E be fa umoja be koko Charles can be bia. Wa freying. Na bibia anko so 0546 68 68 17. 0546 68 68 17. Mid City Auto Service Limited. Mid City. DVLI approved center. DVL agiatum say yenya pre-inspection. Oka no fabra ne hwe ba bia. Afei roadworthy asa anase ewu. Bra ne ntwa bi ma DVL amaye kwan ye twa authentic. O tie na wo de nam no, o kwa na wo so. Ye wheel alignment test. Afei brake no Aponchi break cho na wagina. U break enje na hwe betimi do akowom. Afei suspension. Your friend shock absorbers no. Obu ana honorable ni bushi nyina tete. And on the nam car ni si amrema. Drop bi o si amrema itimi ka osisim. Why you paying for corner corner ne yenya ne kama ma. Afei enumre no opon no oba fie na usia na asa oni moto na sia. The headlamp no ase boja. Bomodena na nhwe headlamp ma. Ye sa test we nyina. E wo mid city ampa. Ezan say bantuma ne pani. E wo bantuma Royal Gas Premise wa Lebanon Club. Frey was 03220 06396 03220 06396 and 0594 522 262 0594 522 262. Other four Missy Hachiamo within your mind your do watch it. Yede Sompa Adea Abremo. Enunti send momo. Sikabi abeso di buabia. Mesi ya shenya nkafi. Na yene wonu a wo mo ye single parents. Honorable we are major di anope ya. And tell me bo amane makai ko bo ahobra. Na fe yes so ehwe kunafo. Ekunafo no na ebe register wase ha. Obi akotwa mfoni se omo behia uche ben so hura mani was Sompa o. Se haso ye ne peso aso. Oni ba bia aso ko. Ye ne ade e yo sana fa de sa. Etu bo modena number no ye 0598 559 802 059 8559 802. Ebeba Blessed Foster Anatara One Media. Abu betra se obeka ho nsem so e de akyeremo. Sam radio se 1